Okay, so I'm making a Python tutorial video because literally everyone seems to be doing that nowadays. No, I'm not sure if I'm still screen recording, but fingers crossed that I am. So to run Python, you will first need to install Python, and maybe I should not have had Python. So Python. And installing Python is pretty much as easy as setting it up, going to the website, and clicking. Well, for me, I have Windows, so basically I should just click this, then click Save, and then you should get this an application. You should be able to click on it, and once you click on it, see I have this over here, Python 3.9, and if you click on it, then it should give you some instructions that you can go through it and then install Python. So in the next video, I'll be going through some actual proper coding. In fact, I think we should go through one more thing. So to do coding, I mean, it's recommended that you have an IDE, right? So IDE, which just means Integrated Development Environment. So you could get the first one off the list. Oh dear. Well, it looks like it wasn't that easy. We can do Visual Studio Code. Which you can install by going here. And then clicking this download button. You can click on it. You get some options. So you want to click Windows if you have Windows, or whatever else if you have one of these, a Penguin or maybe an Apple. And then, yeah, I know this is Linux, sorry about that, guys. Then you just, I'm sure you just click on it, and then it should work out which one we have. And then actually, it says oh, there it is. And then you should be able to just do the rest. Okay, so that's about it. And if you don't like Visual Studio Code, there's something that's just for Python, and apparently my little brother likes this. And it's called PyCharm. Apparently it's got a free version or whatever it is. If you go here, there's a download PyCharm bit here. You can click on that if you're actually smart, but I didn't. So you can click on download, or here, there's so many download buttons, you know? You can download this one. Actually no, that's 3 day if you try. Now I recommend you should buy that, unless you have money, you can buy that one if you like. But I would get this one. Yeah, so then you should, they all have very nice installers, so you should just go through and click the next button, and it should just install it on your computer. And it should work. I mean, let me see. If it does work, then, so let's close these. If everything went well, then you should be able to check if Python's installed by going Python -- version. And I'm on version 3.10, 3.10.0, and if you got anything similar to that, it should work. Anything 3 point something should work, except less than 3.6. Some of the stuff I do will not work for less than 3.6, I think. But anything bigger than 3.6 should work fine. Try to get the latest version, especially if you're getting it for the first time. Let's see. And also, you need Visual Studio Code, so check if you have that using code. I mean, you don't need it. You can just do it on a text file if you want. In fact, I'm not even doing it on a text file. but you won't get any syntax highlighting, which means less colourful text in it. See the code. And I got version 1.66.2, and this is something I don't understand. I think there's some sort of key for it. I don't even know if I should be showing you guys this, because I don't know what it is. But whatever, I mean, if you get something that looks like a number, then you should be fine. And I don't have PyCharm, I don't think. Let me just check. Let's see. No, I don't have PyCharm. So if you don't have something, it should come up like this. And one reason you might not have something is because it's not in the path. And there are video tutorials telling you how to get stuff on your path. I won't try to explain what a path is, but the channel will only recognise things that are on the path. So path is one of the system variables. If you don't know what system variables are, you can just Google it. You'll just find out. So that's about it. Next video we'll be doing some proper Python programming. Yeah, and my mouse seems to be flickering. It's pretty interesting. Okay, see you next.